Yeah, hello fans, this is Jerome Kiss Music. So when I did Ocarina breakdown, someone commented that I should do how to solo on trumpet also. So this is just a secret of how you can play your trumpet that will make it sound more melodious, okay? So this is what you're going to learn today. So I'm not playing any song. I just did random stuff so you can understand a little bit of what you're going to learn today. So you understand, when you are soloing trumpet, you have to play the harmony. Okay, this is what we call harmony. This is what we call harmony, okay? So you don't just play trumpet. So when you're soloing, make sure you land on the harmony. If you listen to our live so well, you understand what I'm doing here. You can see how melodious it is. So let's use this song and do the breakdown for today. What I did here now, I started. Guys, kilerem chimo, mi so fa mi, so re fa mi re do re si do ta. So I play harmony. You can use something like this. So. Okay, you can just play random things. So let me just show you what I play here. I hold my raise fast, la. Then I went to my mi. So the song goes, this song progression goes like this. Kelerem timo, wanem kelerem timo, nanti memela do ta. So okay, so I play. Is that re fa la, then mi so ti, come back to this, then do mi so, then mi so ta. You can just send it with this. Okay, you can just play it this way now. Okay, do re do. So please make sure you like, comment, and share. Make sure you subscribe also. God bless you.